Hi, my name's David, and I am a retail theft consultant. You don't know what that is? Well, let me explain it to you. I help you with your shoplifting problems. I am not giving you advice on how to shoplift, but I'm giving you advice from my experience as a loss prevention professional on what you can do if you're caught shoplifting, because a lot of us will think it's the end of the world. Oh my God, I got a criminal record, I'm going to jail. It's not that simple. There are other things to do. But today, in this short video, we're going to talk about something called civil demand. Civil demand is a legal means for the store to recoup their costs to protect the store from shoplifters like you, if that is in fact you. It is perfectly legal. It is not extortion. It's part of state law. Okay? Anybody that tells you different is wrong. Okay, yes, there are lawyers out there that will tell you don't pay civil demand. There can be serious long-term consequences for not paying civil demand. It is not in your best interest, in my professional opinion, as a loss prevention professional. And by the way, I do things for retailers and stores, but I also work with private citizens. There is no bias involved in here. I can certainly tell you what some of your options are that would be less negative impact on your life. I work for both sides. Sometimes that they conflict with each other, but it does work that way. Anyhow, civil demand, again, is a legal means for the store to recoup their cost. And by recouping their costs, I refer to loss prevention, the cameras, paperwork, protection devices. All that stuff has no profit value at all. So what the stores do is they have this civil demand option in which when you are caught shoplifting, they can seek money. That money can be anywhere, depending on state law, between $50 to $1,000. Generally, let's say a $30 theft will cost you around $250, $300. Again, it is perfectly legal. It has nothing to do with how much you stole, the value of the item. It's done a little bit differently than that. Okay? Remember, there are consequences. And yes, if you're a minor, you don't have to pay. But guess what? Your parents do. All right? Negative consequences could be if the store did not file criminal charges on you, they could file them now. Saying, okay, you know what? You don't want to pay the civil demand, then we'll just take this to court and you'll have a criminal record. The other option they can have is they can send a negative credit report to the credit reporting bureaus. If they do this, this could impact you for a very long time. Okay, they can also sue you. Now, this option isn't done very often, but it is done. There are recovery services, law firms out there that are very aggressive at seeking these monies. And if they don't get them, yes, they can sue you. They can attach your bank account. They can take all kinds of other things away from you. And by the way, if you let it go to the point where they sue you, your $250, $300 fine could be well over $1,000. Okay, the fines triple. They're like savings bonds. They mature as you wait. Okay? Right? We at Retail Theft Answers, and myself being the operator of it, we strongly recommend to all clients they pay civil demand. Now, the exception would be is if you are innocent and you plan on fighting this in court. If this, then notify the recovery service that contacts you. Tell them you wish to place payment on hold pending your court case. All right, they will do that. That is fine. There's nothing wrong with that because you're innocent until proven guilty. All right, if you have any other questions on shoplifting issues, database issues, store policies, procedures, what can loss prevention do? What can they not do? You can contact us at retailtheftexpert@gmail.com. That is RETAILTHEFTEXPERT@gmail.com. retailtheftexpert@gmail.com. Me directly, and I will answer your questions within 24 hours. Okay, any fees, if applicable, or anything will be explained at the time. Generally, we answer up to 5 questions. Give involves some kind of research or paperwork or something on our part, but in the long run, answer for again, civil demand a legal means for stores to recoup their cost for protecting the store and their assets. It is perfectly. We strongly recommend that all people pay the civil demand. If you have any questions,